Hey, Cassidy here. My goal is always to help you learn as much as you can about succulents, to share with you what I'm learning that's working in my succulent garden and what's not working. I'm always wanting to show you what it looks like in a real succulent garden. So mine is generally indoors or in a really hot Phoenix, Arizona climate, neither of which are very ideal for succulents, but I've made it work and I want to show you what that looks like. Every time I water my succulents, I always have little thoughts pop into my head like, oh, notice what's happening with this plant, or this is looking really good right now. And I always think I need to share these, but then life gets in the way and I forget to post them or record a video and things go on. So I came up with a plan. I am going to share with you over the next few weeks some short video clips, my watering thoughts, if you will, just little things that come to mind, things I'm noticing with my succulents. And my goal with these is that they'll help you notice things that are happening in your garden as well and help you get a feel for what to pay attention to with your succulents. I'm guessing I'm not the only person who notices things when I'm watering my succulents or just admiring them on a daily basis. You probably do too. And you probably have some questions that come up while you're watering, things that you're wondering about your succulents. That's why I have set up the Succulent Lovers Club as a place for you to upload a quick video or photo and ask for help and feedback with your succulents so that you can get responses and input about your succulents, or just share a win, something that you're excited about with a community of people who love succulents as much as you do. The great thing is we have an awesome team who is here to help you. Chantel hosts 2 monthly Q&A calls where you can get help and feedback with your succulents in real time and chat with other succulent lovers. Plus, she is also really great at finding IDs or the names for your succulents. So if you don't know what this little guy is, post a photo of it and she will help you find the right genus and species for it. I literally pay her to find names of succulents for our club members, and she is fantastic at it. We also have Connor, who works behind the scenes. You will never see his face, but he will make sure that all of your tech worries are taken care of so you can easily participate in the club and just focus on having fun with succulents. And the awesome thing is, as the Succulent Lovers Club continues to grow, we have the capacity to hire guest experts to come and do specialty trainings or workshops so you can learn even more in depth about succulents. Getting help and input from other succulent lovers and experts has been so crucial for me in growing my succulent collection to where it is now. I would not be where I am without the help of other people, whether it was answering my questions or just encouraging me or just inspiring me. There have been so many people who have helped make my succulent journey what it is today. And that's exactly what I would love for you to experience through the Succulent Lovers Club. I am setting a goal for the Succulents and Sunshine team this month to help 100 people through the Succulent Lovers Club, whether it's finding the names of succulents or identifying something that's going wrong with their succulent that they haven't been able to figure out. Maybe it's determining what type of grow lights to buy to help their succulents stay compact and colorful inside, or cheering someone on as they remove the leaf from their succulent to propagate, or maybe they're taking that first step in cutting off the top of their succulent. We would love to be there and cheer you on, or simply to provide inspiration and encouragement for you. We are more than happy to look at all the pictures of your succulent garden and tell you our thoughts and let you know how awesome you're doing with your succulents as well. We would love for you to be one of those 100 people that we help this month. You can check out the links around this video to get all the details about the club, but we are so excited to help you enjoy growing succulents even more, to connect you with other succulent lovers to help encourage and inspire you all throughout your succulent journey.